Hey everyone, and welcome to AdVorks Digital. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of creating videos with Canva. Whether you're a social media whiz or a complete beginner, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to bring your video ideas to life. So, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get started. First things first, head over to canva.com and log in or create an account. On the homepage, click on the Video tab. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of video templates for various purposes, from YouTube intros and outros to social media posts and presentations. Can't decide? Canva offers handy categories to browse. If you have a specific video type in mind, use the search bar at the top. Once you find a template that sparks your creativity, click on Customize this template to jump into the editing world. Pro tip: Canva offers a free plan with a vast library of templates and elements. Upgrading to Canva Pro unlocks even more options and premium stock videos. Now comes the fun part: customizing your video. The editing interface is intuitive and drag and drop friendly. Here's what you can do. Replace text and images. Click on any text or image element you want to change. A sidebar will appear where you can edit the content, font, style, and colors. Upload your own media. Canva allows you to upload your photos, videos, and audio files. Transitions. Click between two video clips on the timeline. Then, click on the plus icon and select Transitions. Canva offers a variety of transition styles to choose from, like dissolve or wipe. Timeline editing. The timeline at the bottom of the editor allows you to precisely trim video clips, adjust their order, and add elements at specific points. Record yourself. Canva has a built-in screen and webcam recorder. Perfect for creating video tutorials or adding a personal touch to your message. Audio library. Find royalty-free background music and sound effects to enhance your video's mood and impact. Explore the media library. Canva boasts a rich library of free and premium stock photos, videos, and audio clips. Use the search bar to find elements that complement your video's theme. Once you're happy with your creation, click the Download button on the top right corner. Choose the video format, MP4 as a common choice, and resolution. Canva also allows you to directly share your video to social media platforms. Congratulations! You've just created a stunning video with Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative content.